House hunting? Seeking new investment opportunities?
Discover the stories and the people behind the best in Philippine real estate.
And get started on that dream home. Learn how an entire house materializes from the ground up and how to finish it off with flair.
A bigger, brighter real estate experience is coming your way.
Patrol mo, ulat na mata at kising na tenga, mga daliri na nagkakaisa, sa bawat kilos magkakalampag, siklab ng umagay magliliwanag, magliliwanag.
Every January, the whole nation joins in celebrating a child. A child that is at once king and bunso. At once God and favorite son. I'm Susan Cala Medina. Join me as Travel Time pays tribute to the Santo Niño and his myriad incarnations. Celebrating the child.
Ibang student hindi sila nag-spend ng enough time for the review kasi for me kasi yung parang effective sa akin yung study habit na ginagawa ko, time management for that.
Walang pera yung ibang tao kaya hindi sila makapag-review kaya onti lang nakapasa sa board exam.
Mahirap siya eh. Pag yung yung nire-review mo, pagdating sa exam, hindi yun yung kung ano yung naaral mo. Parang more on, hindi siya parang based on sa book, parang ganun.
Welcome back to Talkback. Still with us, PRC Commissioner Ruth Padilla, CHED Executive Director Julito Vitriolo, UST Nursing Professor Rene Tadle, Review Center owner Carl Balita, who is also a nurse, and Enzo Abalon, a nursing board exam passer. Balikan natin yung ating nurse passer. Meron ka na bang trabaho?
Yes, ma'am. I'm now currently employed in an IT-based company.
It's an IT.
In an IT-based company doing medical transcription?
No, ma'am.
Ano?
I'm an HR staff doing clerical work.
Not as a nurse?
Yes, ma'am, because my friend offered and referred me to a common friend also. So, greenab ko na po habang wala pa naman akong ginagawa para magkaroon na rin ng income.
Okay.
Tapos,
magandang kwento mo. So, nag-nursing ka, nag-licensure, meron kang pumasa ka na, tapos hindi ka nagiging nurse.
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi ka pa nagpa-practice ng
I'm just waiting
profession
for
mo.
the result, ma'am, because katulad po nasabi nila, ma'am, sir, na hindi ka pa ma-hire sa mga hospitals because wala pa ba akong license.
Hihintay muna ng lisensya. Kaya naman yung ibibigay yung lisensya niya para makapasok na siya sa hospital.
The oath-taking ho is March 8 and 9.
March. O pagkatapos nun, are you going to do your profession? Will you have a career as a nurse?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just waiting for my contract also to end this coming February.
Okay.
And then, I'm planning to have a training in the Red Cross, basic life support, and also the IV therapy training. Para po, ma-apply ko talaga sa hospital yung
That is good.
Alam mo, that training, Christina, is a sad story as well.
Oo.
Do you know that a nursing graduate will have to be paying to be trained more?
Yes.
When in fact, ideally, kung pumasa ka ng board, di ba dapat you're already equipped? But believe it or not, meron na naman naging gold mine yung ibang very entrepreneurial sectors that when you work in a hospital, you're not an employee, but you have to pay for your training.
Oo. Malaki ba ito? Mas malaki pa sa halaga ng tuition mo nung ikaw ay nag-aaral?
Kahit pa maliit ang sa akin doon, insulto na professional ka, you're doing your professional work and yet you're not an unemployed professional, but you are a trainee. And ginagrab ng mga graduates and professional nurses for reason na wala naman silang pupuntahan, alam ka naman mag-fast food sila or mag-call center na lang.
Ang dahilan ba doon, Commissioner, or you can answer it, is talagang ang kakulangan ng mga ospital doon sa number of graduates coming into the hospital setting. Ganun yun?
Actually, hindi yun, Tina.
Ano ang dahilan?
Maraming pwedeng i-hire na nurses. Kasi nga, every year, marami tayong napoproduce na registered nurses. But the thing is, wala sa gobyerno, government hospitals, for how many years hindi ho nadadagdagan ang plantilla positions. So therefore,
Plantilla positions in the hospital.
In the hospital. I'm talking about the hospitals. So right now, the latest number is there are 60,000 plantilla positions. But all of the 60,000 are occupied. So not unless mag-resign, mag-retire, itong mga to o pumunta abroad, magkakaroon ng bakante. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng magdagdag kung wala silang plantilla position because magiging problema din ng chief of hospital kung paano naman niya kukunin, isa niya isusource, yung isusweldo doon sa mabagong hire. The private hospitals, it's the same. They have limited positions because they also have limited budget. It depends on ano ang level ng ospital para ganun din ang number of employees o nurses na pwede nilang i-hire.
Okay.
Kaya po ang reality ngayon, yung ideal 1:7 na nurse-patient ratio, 1:50.
Yes.
Pero kung ilalagay natin yung ideal proportion ng nurse at saka ng pasyente, baka we will be surprised kulang pa yung nurses natin.
So ang tinitingnan natin ngayon, we started by talking na we're very disappointed dun sa mga pumasa in relation to the number of people who took it, yung mga repeaters, mababa rin ang mga pumasa dyan. And now we're looking at another set of concerns here, no? Ito yung nakatapos ka na, meron ka pa ring training na kailangan gawin?
No, actually hindi naman yun yung mandatory na training after they have
Hindi
received.
yung kagaya sa medicine residency.
No, we don't have
wala
that.
kayo
Once
nun,
you graduate, then you take the exam, you pass it, take your oath, then you are given your certificate of registration and you're issued your professional ID card. Then you can practice the profession. Pero yung iba, no, meron naging issue dyan noon na may mga registered nurses, they go to the hospital, they cannot be employed as a permanent employee, but they are there nagvo-volunteer. So they could consider themselves volunteer nurses. Now, the very
volunteer as far as they're concerned.
Yes, kasi hindi nga sila empleyado, pero nagvo-volunteer sila ng services nila, not because they want to probably na magkasweldo, kasi wala naman talaga sweldo, but ang rason lang bakit nila ginagawa yun, gusto nila yung additional experience and the additional training.
So ang nagiging ang pinanggagalingan ng problema yan na may mga tapos na sila ng nursing, nakapasa na sila siguro, no?
Yes.
At gusto pa nila ng additional training, pumapasok sila sa mga hospital setting as a volunteer. Ang solusyon dun sa mga ganong klaseng malaki ba ang number ng mga ganitong klaseng tao?
Marami.
Ganon? And ito ba ang nagpapatakbo ng mga ospital ngayon?
Yeah,
Are they given tasks?
Yes.
I mean,
as professionals.
As professionals, they form part of the bandy clock.
Yes.
Of the
No,
entire
not
nursing
really.
And the doctor